Welcome to Zero Diabetes Zone, and today we're diving into a powerful way to manage diabetes, a plant-based diet. Whether you're new to plant-based eating or looking for more tips, this video will guide you with practical steps and expert advice. Did you know research shows that plant-based diets can improve blood sugar control, reduce insulin resistance, and even support weight loss? It's all about the nutrients fiber. Number 4, healthy fats, avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Number 5, low glycemic fruits, berries, apples, and pears. And remember, aim for variety to get a mix of vitamins and minerals. Tips for transitioning to a plant-based diet. Number 1, start small, swap 1 or 2 meals a week with plant-based options. Number 2, plan your meals, keep diabetes-friendly recipes handy, like a hearty lentil soup or quinoa salad. Number 3, read labels, avoid processed plant-based foods with added sugars and unhealthy fats. Number 4, protein balance, combine grains and legumes for complete proteins. Number 5, consult a nutritionist, get advice tailored to your specific health needs. Common myths about plant-based diets and diabetes. Myth 1, you won't get enough protein. False. Plant proteins are abundant in lentils, tofu, and quinoa. Myth 2, all carbs are bad. Wrong. Whole, unprocessed carbs can be your best friend. Myth 3, it's too expensive. Not true. Buying seasonal produce and bulk grains can save you money. Bonus tricks for success: hydration. Drink plenty of water to stay energized and support digestion. Spices. Incorporate anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger. Snacks. Keep diabetes-friendly snacks handy, like carrot sticks with hummus. Final thoughts. Managing diabetes doesn't have to feel restrictive with a plant-based diet. You can enjoy delicious meals and improve your health at the same time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Zero Diabetes Zone for more expert tips.